Have you seen the viral cortisol cocktail floating around social media? People say it's a quick fix for stress and hormones, but here's the truth. It's not actually a cortisol cocktail, and it can be helpful if you understand why. So it's made from orange juice, coconut water, salt, maybe cream of tartar, and magnesium powder, and the adrenal cocktail is what it actually is. And it's a simple mix of those ingredients. Sometimes people add cream of tartar or magnesium, and it's designed to replenish key minerals that your body burns when you're under stress: sodium, potassium, vitamin C. So let's talk about the science a little bit. Here is the prometabolic perspective inspired by Dr. Ray Peat's work. Cortisol is not the enemy. You need it. It rises in the morning to wake you up, but chronically high cortisol can suppress thyroid function, slow metabolism, and increase inflammation. Stress burns minerals. When you're under stress, your adrenal glands use up vitamin C and rely heavily on sodium and potassium. An adrenal cocktail can help replenish what's depleted, so your body doesn't have to crank out excess stress hormones. Blood sugar stability means the small amount of sugar in orange juice paired with minerals helps to keep blood sugar steady, which keeps cortisol from spiking unnecessarily. So when is the best time to use an adrenal cocktail? Mid-morning or mid-afternoon tends to be when most of my clients and myself benefit and notice the benefit of adrenal cocktails before or after stressful events, before workouts, or during the week when you're going to get your period, and you want to pair it with meals. You know, you want to keep your metabolism going, so make sure that you're eating. You can have your cocktail, you can sip it through the day, or you can have it with the meal. So next time you hear about a cortisol cocktail, you'll know it's really an adrenal cocktail, and it's really not about quick fixes. It's about giving your body the energy it needs to stay really resilient, keep your thyroid strong, and help your hormones to work for you. So I'm Rose Hollow. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor specializing in women's health and hormones, and I hope that you follow me, subscribe to my channel, share this video with somebody that it might help, and come back soon and watch more. Bye!